Hello everyone, today our topic is how to publish your posts from Blogger to WordPress. So here our objective is that whenever we create a new post in Blogger, then we want to use this post and we want to create a new post in WordPress. For this, we will create an integration between Blogger and WordPress. For creating this integration, we are going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. In Pabbly Connect, we are going to use trigger and action. In trigger application, we are going to use Blogger. In action application, we are going to use WordPress. So how I am going to create this integration? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen. And today we are going to check how we can integrate Google Blogger and WordPress together. And here our objective is that whenever I post a new blog in Google Blogger and I want to capture those details of my blog, and then I will use these details to create a new post automatically in WordPress. And I'm going to automate this process without any coding skills. I'm just going to use Pabbly Connect here and we will create an integration between Google Blogger and WordPress. So now I will open a new tab and here I will search for pabbly.com. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly, you can just sign up for free and it will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get hundreds of tasks free every month. Or if you already have an account, you can just sign in and you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I'm going to click here on Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And it will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here, this is the workflow section and we can see all the workflows that we will create here. And this is the folder section. We can create new folder here and we can save any workflow in any particular folder that we want. Now I'm going to create a new workflow. For that, I'm going to click here on Create Workflow button and this window will pop up. Here, I have to name my workflow. So I will name it as my objective, which is to publish your posts from Blogger to WordPress. Now I will select the folder where I want to save my workflow. So I will select Home here and I will click on Create. And this will take us to this most important window of our workflow. Here we have two boxes, trigger and action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger will be the first step that will get executed in our workflow and action will just follow that. So we need to set up our trigger first. And here my trigger application will be Blogger. So I'm going to search for that. I will select Google Blogger. Now I have to give a trigger event. So I will open this tab and new post added will be my trigger event. So I will select this and I will connect Google Blogger with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here and I will click on add new connection and I will sign in with Google. I will click on continue to give access to my account. And my connection is successful. Now I have two options here, blog and status. So for the blog, I have to give my blog ID. Now for this, let's go back to Blogger. And here in this tab, I have these blog IDs. And here I'm going to use my blog. So I'm going to map this in Pabbly Connect. Let's go back to Pabbly Connect. So my blog ID is my blog. And now I have to select my status. So I will open this tab and I'm going to select this only live status. So this is going to give the response of the posts that are live. Now I will go back to Blogger and I will create a new post. So I will click here on new post. So first I will give the title to my post and my title will be Future of AI. Here I have to give the content of my post. So I'm going to type my content here. So this is going to be the content of my blog. So this is going to be my new blog and the title is Future of AI. And now I'm going to publish this. So I will click here on publish. I will click on confirm. So I have created this new blog, which is Future of AI. Now we'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I will click on save and send test request button. So here we got this response of the new blog. But if you don't get this response instantly, don't worry. This is a polling based response. So you have to wait around for 8 hours to get the response. And in every 8 hours, it will send the new responses back to Pabbly Connect. So Here we have the response, and the title of my blog is Future of AI. And here we have this content of my blog. So here I have my content, and in my content I can see I have so many HTML tags. Now what I need is I want to strip down all these HTML tags, and I want my content to be clear without any HTML tags. And for stripping down this HTML tags, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a tool that Pabbly offers, which is Data Transformer. So in my Actions tab, I will open this tab, and here I will search for Data Transformer. I will select this, and I have to select an action event. So I will open this tab, and in my action event, I will select this strip HTML tags. So this is going to be my action event, and I will click on connect. Now I have to give my encoded string. So in encoded string, I'm going to map my content. So I will open this tab, and I will open the response. And in content, this is my encoded string. So I will select this. Now I will click on Save and Send Test to Quiz button. And here we can see we got the response. And in my result, we have this content of my blog, and it is without any HTML strip. So we are going to use this content, and we are going to use response that we got from my new blog. And we are going to create a new post in WordPress with the same content of my new blog. So for that, I will add another Actions tab. I'll click here on Add Actions tab. And here my action application will be WordPress. So I will search for that. I'm going to select this. And I have to give an action event. So I will open this tab, and create a post will be my action event. So I will select this. Now I will connect WordPress with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on connect. I will click on add new connection. And to connect WordPress with Pabbly Connect, I have to fill all these details. So I will fill all these details. I have filled my username and password, and for the base URL, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to WordPress. Here in the WordPress URL, we have this link. So I'm going to copy this URL. I will go back to Pabbly Connect, and I'm going to paste that URL here. Now to complete this base URL, what I'm going to do is I'm going to clear everything ahead of this WP3. So I'm going to clear this. So I have filled all my details here. Now I'm going to click on save. I have successfully connected my account. Now to create a new post, I have to fill all these details here. So first, my post type will be a post. So I'm going to select posts here. Now I have to give a post title and the post content. So for these two details, I'm going to map these details, and I'm going to use mapping here. So what mapping is? Mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I'm going to click here. I will open this Google Blogger response, and I have my title here. So this is going to be my title, Future of AI. So I'm going to select this. Now I have to give a post content. Similarly, I will map this again. So I will click here. I will open this Data Transformer response, and in the result, we have this content of my post. So I'm going to select this. So this is going to be the content of my post, and I have all these details here. And if you want to fill all these details, you can fill these too. I don't need to fill all these details. So I'm just going to click here on Save and Send Test to Quiz button. And here we have this response. It gives us this post ID. So this means we have posted the same thing on our WordPress account. Now to check this, let's go back to WordPress. And on WordPress, I will go to posts. And I will scroll down, and here we have this post. So here we have posted this new post, which is of Future of AI. So this is my title of my post. So I'm going to open this. I will scroll down, and this is my post, and this is the content of my post. So this is the same content of the post that I have posted on Google Blogger. So we have used the same content and the same title of my blog, and we have posted that on my WordPress account. So our integration here between Blogger and WordPress is working successfully. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we have created this integration between Google Blogger and WordPress, such that whenever I'm posting a new blog on my Google Blogger, then I'm capturing the details of the post, and I'm using the same details to create a new post in WordPress. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application here was Google Blogger, and my trigger event was new post added. Then I have set up my action, and in action I have used data transformer by Pabbly, which is a tool that Pabbly offers. And in this I have used action event as strip HTML tags. Then I have set up my final action step, and in this my action application is WordPress, and my action event was create a post. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow. And you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description, so you can check it out from there. Thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this using Pabbly Connect. If you need any help or if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can post them at forum.pabbly.com, or if you have any issue with the pricing of Pabbly, you can connect on this link. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.